So,
Yeah, man, people keep birthday around here. Yeah.
listen, place nice.
Okay, somebody the mic, the mic. Like the your hand.
Hey, what's up? What you doing? Guys, you see? Pure niceness. You see the ducks them? They coming so close. So you know, so the energy is so good. Look at the water. Look who's coming. Look who's coming. Listen, you see, so we mean business. And a joke thing round here, you know. You understand, people?
Hot.
Listen,
Hot
I'll
time.
hot. Hot.
Yeah, my people, like, subscribe and cheer.
Yeah, man.
Give her some love. You understand? Help her grow. On the way to 1,000 subscribers.
Look at that. We say red, green, and gold. See? You see, people.
Time to fry them up and they run really for main thing, you know, but so you go, we get it right. Yeah, but now you get it right.
May I tell you? So if you want a private chef at the secret location, you don't know. Right? Can't beat it. Nature, animals, good vibes. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Look at Coco. Come here, Coco. Come here, Coco. Behave. Come here, Coco. Coco. Coco is chasing the ducks. Coco's chasing the duck, guys. The duck said, I just want to be alone. I just want to be at peace. Oh, you know them. That's your friend.
Hi, Coco. I wish I had some bread for you.
Oh, let me give them some bread. Hold on. I'm gonna give you some bread, okay? Let me feed you guys. You guys, it's like the star of the show. I'm gonna give you some bread. Hold on. I'm gonna give them some bread, guys. All right, hold on. Let me give you some bread. Could I have a piece of bread? Could I have a piece of bread? Some bread. Bread.
Yeah, that's the bread.
You could have some?
Huh?
Could I have some bread?
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the bread? Yeah, get it.
Yeah, man, them at the start of the show. She's not afraid. She's not afraid of them. She's not afraid. She's not afraid.
Why are you breathing like that? Hi, booty.
Guys, if you want to come at our secret location, look how much guests we have. Look how much other guests that we have. Right? Let us know. Right? At Bring Your Own Fire. Let us know. At Firelinks TV. Right? Russ, where you say your angle name? Where your angle name? Where your angle name? Your YouTube.
General Lifestyle TV, that's on pause right now.
Yeah, man, if I unpause it. Listen.
You know, I get no more on my bread. Go ahead. We have time to get them. Ready?
Look at the baby, guys. Look, she's not afraid. She's like, listen, you're gonna listen to me. They gotta listen to you? What you said? Oh, really? You wanna feed them? You wanna feed them? Listen, this is a serious thing why they live on that stuff. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Inside of the pot right now, frying. Yeah, I'm sorry we don't have a bigger pot to contain everything. But for now, we'll do 3 at a time until we go to the very last one. Alright? So just go and make them fry in the meantime. And that's that. Remember to like, subscribe, and
Yeah, like, subscribe, and share.
Always cooking and getting it right. Always. Subscribe. Like, share, comment on all the videos. Okay? Get the yard man to 1,000 subscribers. That's the way to go. That's the way to grow.
More. Well, me want more than 1,000 subscribers.
We want more, but we gotta get
I want more than 1,000
we want
subscribers.
every subscriber. But we gotta
Listen,
start from where we are.
guys,
to get there.
the food smells
Yeah.
wonderful, wonderful, amazing. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Listen, link up. The man do private cooking.
Yes, man.
I mean, you can't beat that by the water. You can't beat it. You can't even beat it with a stick. You understand? That's how it hit hard. So, like, comment, subscribe. What do you want us to do next? Where do you want us to go next?
Share,
You understand? And share.
Give your love and support. That's the way to grow. You understand? And that's the way to go. You understand? go on and subscribe to Bring Your Own Fire on YouTube. You understand? Show her your love, give her your support, as always. You understand? Big up Rasta man at the place. So you don't know.
Yeah, always.
Always.
In the shadows, but he's here. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Hold on, fire. Look.
Yeah, and you don't know, we'll keep it nice, the vibe nice. We'll play some
Everything
Itania, some, you know, some nice song, you know.
How you stay so far? I just recognize it's you. Come along. You can have a seat here. If you want to have a seat, you see start soft. You can have
You
a
see the
seat
baby
right
guys?
here.
She's enjoying the nature.
You finally make it. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Alright, just stand. Yeah.
Yeah, the music can't play.
No, that can't go on mine, you know, because you don't give me copyright.
Oh, wait, the
Yeah, you can't take too much time. You have to take it. You have to cut it off. That's when you like more like, you know, because things don't really matter them, but that's when you go and big, I'll tell you, say, that is that. Yeah. So, you know what I mean at the video?
No, man.
You find the business guy?
Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Putting on the baby shoes. No, the other feet. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Your shoes is wet, Mama. Your shoes is wet. Yeah. It's wet. You see the water? I know. You love the water?
Oh.
You love it? Come on, put your next. Okay. Just say like, share, and subscribe. Listen, look who's here. We have some more guests. Them smell the food. Drinking rum.
We have drinks like, we have those, we have that. You want to have one of those?